and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, Vivo has released a new smartphone which is the Vivo Y36. And we will do a short unboxing and also a phone review of this smartphone. Let's get to it! Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So first off, we will do an unboxing and then later on, I will show you the features of the Vivo Y36. Let us see first what's inside the box. So dito meron tayong transparent jelly case at subukan natin isuot dito sa Vivo Y36. And there we go, a perfect fit. Meron din tayo makikitang manual sa loob ng box, an adapter with 44 watts flash charge, a Type-C cable, and a SIM ejector tool. Now let's talk about the build of the Vivo Y36. So ang Vivo Y36 ay may lapad na 76.17mm at pahaba na 164.6mm. At para naman sa side guys, it has a 8.7mm which makes it very slim. And lastly, it weighs about 202 grams which is not heavy at all. On the back, we have here the dual camera and the flashlight. And here we have the power button with the fingerprint sensor and the volume buttons. And here we have the Type-C charger, your audio, and also for your earphones, microphones, and headsets. And on the top is the microSD and SIM holder. Let's use the SIM ejector tool and have a closer look. Now let's talk about the design of the Vivo Y36. So as you can see guys, this is the Vivo Y36 on the color Glitter Aqua. Vivo Y36 Glitter Aqua was inspired by the golden ripples of a shimmering lake, which is reflected onto a crystal glass design. And as we look closely on the camera, we can notice that there is a rainbow-like fantasy frame right here. Vivo Y36 comes in three colors, which is the Glitter Aqua, Meteor Black, and Vibrant Gold. So what we have here is the Glitter Aqua, and I will also show you another color variant which is the Meteor Black. So here is the color Meteor Black, and here is the Glitter Aqua. Ang Vivo Y36 ay may 54 IP rating that protects your device with extra seals to prevent failures caused by dust, raindrops, and water splashes. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun ay isang waterproof device na ang Vivo Y36. It only provides protection against dust and water under normal use. Vivo Y36 also has a 6.64-inch display and also a 1080p Full HD display that comes with a 60Hz refresh rate. You can also adjust the screen refresh rate up to 90Hz per second. Ang Vivo Y36 ay mayroong dark theme at pwede mo rin mabago ang kulay ng screen. Meron tayong color mode na kung saan meron itong tatlong pagpipilian: the Standard, Pro, and Bright. Meron ding color temperature adjustment na kung saan pwede mo mapalitan ang kulay ng screen sa kung paano mo ito gusto. Pwedeng in warm colors or in cold colors. Or if you like it just the way it was, you can just simply click the default button. And as for the speaker guys, it has a 200% studio sound and a 73 decibel. Now for the performance. Vivo Y36 has a Snapdragon 680 processor and a storage of 256GB and a RAM of 8GB, which can be extended up to another 8GB. And Vivo Y36 allows you to run up to 25 apps without feeling too much lag. At para naman sa gaming experience guys, Vivo Y36 has a 240Hz gaming touch refresh rate and also a Snapdragon 680 processor, which can handle most popular Android games at medium to high settings. However, it is not powerful enough to run the most demanding games such as Genshin Impact or PUBG Mobile at high settings. For the battery, Vivo Y36 has a 5000 mAh battery which is expected to provide power for 1.5 days with moderate use. So para naman sa camera guys, as you can see on the back, we have a dual camera. So we have here the 50MP 50 megapixels camera accompanied by a 2 megapixels depth camera. So ngayon, i-check naman natin yung kanyang camera. For the front camera guys, we have a 16 megapixels camera, and for the back camera, we have the 50 megapixels camera accompanied by a 2 megapixels depth camera. So another fascinating thing when it comes to the camera guys is pwede mo ma-adjust yung makikita mo sa screen. So dito pwede siya maging 1.1, then pwede siya maging 4.3, also a 16.9, and another which is the full camera display. It has a timer up to 10 seconds and a framing line and level button. Meron din itong stabilization button for both videos and photos. At meron din itong effect matte button. Pwede ito ma-zoom up to 10 times for both photos and videos. So when it comes to the video guys, pwede mo ma-adjust yung kanyang resolution at yung kanyang frame rate. So when it comes to the video guys, magkaiba ang mga options na meron for the back camera and for the front camera. So for the front camera, pwede natin ma-adjust yung resolution up to 720p to 1080p with a 30 frames per second. Tapos, kapag naman sa back camera, pwede natin siya ma-adjust na 720p with a 30 fps or 720p with 60 fps up to 1080p with a 30 fps. Kapag pinindot naman natin ang more, makikita natin dito ang 50MP option, panorama, documents, slow motion, time-lapse, pro, double exposure, and live photo. At para mas makita nyo guys ang kanyang outcome when it comes to picture taking at sa videos, here are the shots that I took earlier. Tatanong ka kung saan ka pwede makabili ng Vivo Y36, makakabili ka nito sa Shopee, Lazada, or any Vivo store. At kung dito ka sa Pilipinas at nasa Palawan ka, you can buy Vivo Y36 on our shop, which is the Kyla Cellphone and Accessories. We have many different branches from Brooks Point, Batarasa, Rio Tuba, and Quezon. And that's all for today's video guys. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to buy Vivo Y36 right now.